right, you want to hear this 5.3 run? It's got a little over 100,000 miles on it. Loaded Z71 Silverado. Actually, this is a Louisiana Sportsman Edition, which I probably will take that off. Apparently we need a battery. It's a little sluggish. Down drops on the pipe. Looks like you just run a straight catalytic converter and then pipe after that. But yeah, very impressed. Air works. Seats are in perfect condition. Got one little tear right there on the top. But yeah, this is going to be cool.